we will highlight the task, which is to determine the main purpose of the text. We're going to read this in full and again, maybe highlight something to get an overall prediction in our highlights that we can then cross-check against the answer choices more specifically. So this reads, the following text is adapted from Jane Austen's 1814 novel Mansfield Park. The speaker, Tom, is considering staging a play at home with a group of his friends and family. We mean nothing but a little amusement among ourselves, just to vary the scene and exercise our powers in something new. We want no audience, no publicity. We may be trusted, I think, in choosing some play most perfectly unexceptional, and I can conceive no greater harm or danger to any of us in conversing in the elegant written language of some respectable author than in chattering in words of our own. So we know that Tom is staging this play at home, and they basically just want to amuse themselves. They want no audience, no publicity, and there's basically no harm in conversing in the elegant written language of some respectable author. Highlighting forces engagement, and that's hugely important here. So we're going to look at our answer choices now, comparing against what we just read. To offer Tom's assurance that the play will be inoffensive and involve only a small number of people. This is true, it may not jump off of the screen, but at the very least I just leave it open and go, maybe. Next, choice B, to clarify that the play will not be performed in the manner Tom had originally intended. Well, no, this is all about Tom's intent, so this is really a direct reversal of the information presented. Then choice C, to elaborate on the idea that the people around Tom lack the skills to successfully stage a play. We know they're not skilled actors, but that's not the main point. Maybe they are kind of not great at it, but that's not the point. So we can eliminate C for not matching that main purpose again. Then choice D, to assert that Tom believes the group performing the play will be able to successfully promote it. Again, it actually says explicitly we don't want to promote it. They want no audience, no publicity. So D, again, is a direct reversal of the information presented, leaving what must be our correct answer of choice A.